Hey guys, look at this here. Today I will show you some premium VR accessories. So for the people that want really premium stuff and that are willing to spend a little bit more. So this is from Syntech and this is a premium walnut wood stand. Crazy, right? And it's made for Meta, so it's mainly for Quest headsets, but still you can use it for any other VR headset as well. And this is really premium quality. And I will show you everything you need to know about this. In the description, all the links. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, let's do a short unboxing. Syntech made for Meta MR Walnut Stand. Compatible with Quest 2, 3, 3S and Quest Pro, but I'm pretty sure it will be compatible with most of the VR headsets, right? And the model number is G5H. Premium walnut wood, broad compatibility, optimized storage, easy assembly, streamlined cable management. Yeah, and here it also says something here. Removable organizers, crafted from renewable walnut. This is in a package. The stand, tools, screws. This is a silicone pad and cable clips. So yeah, let's check it out. Shoo. And then here we go. So here we have a user manual. What we have to do, like screws, more screws, cable management and the silicone pad. And here we go. Here we go. So when you smell it, that smells really strong wood, like wood. Wow. And you definitely feel it. This is pure wood. Oh wait, this is everything fell out here. So this is the one part. Nice. Look at this. This is really premium. Really premium. And then here. Wow. Designed by Syntech, material 100% renewable walnut wood made in China. Wow. And oh, here we have the screws. More screws and the cable clips. Anything else? Oh yeah, and the tool here. So cool, right? So I would say let's assemble it now. Okay guys, here I have it now. Look at this. It has the same color than my desk here. Crazy, right? So definitely it's absolute premium. This is a VR stand masterclass, definitely. Because it feels like really premium and it even smells. It smells like wood, yeah? I love the smell of wood, yeah? I mean, let's be honest, this is not for everyone because it's premium, it's expensive. We'll talk about the price later. And of course, you can also use a plastic stand. Of course, it's much cheaper, like a third of the price. But that looks not 1% as nice as this. Yeah, so it's a question of money. Do you have the money or not? Do you want to have some premium stuff or not? So this is nice. Yeah, so we have the anti-slipper here and here as well. The cable clips. So let's put the Quest on it. Like here and here we go. And also the controllers. Here. That looks nice, right? I mean, I've never seen such a premium stand. Totally love it. Absolutely fine. And here you can place the controllers. Looks also really good. And if you like, you can also, of course, charge it because you have the cable clips here. It depends on you. If you want to charge it here, you can just place a cable here and then it's also fine. I mean, compare it. This one and those. Yeah, this is a really huge, yeah, difference. Yeah, of course. I mean, it's also a huge price difference. Oh my God. So we have the name of. We can also try. Wait, we can also try another headset. Let's place the Quest back here, and then let's go for the. Whoa. Let's go for the biggest one, the Pimax headset. Put it here. Here we go. And you can also place the controllers here. Look at this. Perfect. Yeah. So it's not only for Quest, of course. You can also place your other headsets, and this is a big one. Yeah. You can place all the, perhaps even the X-Star, like. It's a universal standard, and that's absolutely nice. It looks so good. Yeah. And the name of that is Syntech MR Walnut Stand, and it's made for Meta official, but as you can see, it works with all the headsets. It's pretty easy to assemble. Yeah, you've seen that. We have the anti-slipping here and on the back as well. And the wood, the material is really good. We have premium walnut wood, and you even smell that. You see it and you smell that it's absolutely premium. So you can perhaps imagine it's not 15 bucks. Yeah, it's $65. Yes, $65 is, of course, this is a lot for a VR headset stand, but as I told you in the intro, this is for people that want premium stuff, that are willing to pay a lot of money, and this is more expensive than this one. It also looks better, right? So it depends on you. If you are willing to pay the money, then do it. You can find the links in the description. I'm not sure about the euro price. As soon as I know it, I will put it in the description and the links as well, and then you can buy it. It's really great, and yeah, check also out my other VR accessories videos, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE